Shipping address on Shein. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to register a shipping address step by step. You've just signed up on Shein, now you need to add an address to receive your packages. In this video, I'll guide you through it. Like these kinds of videos, we have more related content on the channel. Subscribe, like I'm always making helpful videos for you. Let's begin. I've made an account. Once you're in the app, tap Profile at the bottom. In Profile, you'll see options. Click on Settings, the gear icon. It'll show some options. Choose the first one, Address Book. Here, add your shipping address by tapping the plus sign. Here you'll enter your information: first name, last name, phone number, zip code, address, any additional details, state, city, neighborhood, CPF number, all of this to ensure your order can be shipped. You can check this box to set it as your default address if you add others. The default address will always be used for receiving orders. Once you're done, just click the Save button below. Got it? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks everyone.